guys, so I just wanted to jump on here and talk to you for a little bit before we roll into like the weekly how I'm losing weight on keto weekly vlog thing that it's turned into. So first off, I just want to say a huge thank you. I don't know how everyone's found my channel or found my videos, but there's now 17,000 of you guys watching, and I am just over the moon, and you guys just been so sweet and kind and loving and supportive and just girl power, and I am so here for it. So huge thank you for joining me on this journey. And if you are on keto too or just starting, let me know down below, because like I am just so thrilled that we live in the age where we can connect like completely different continents but talking at the same moment, in the same conversation, same point in our lives. Like, it's just absolutely thrilling to me. So the reason I'm here is that throughout the week, like today I sat down and I put together all the clips that I filmed during the week, and I don't really talk a lot, and that's because when I get home from work or when I get home from school, that's when I pull out the camera and try to get this content for you guys. So I have CJ telling me how his day was, me having conversation with him, I have Mariah crying or whining, I have the Wiggles in the background. Like, it's just not a soothing environment. So that's why I have to take the volume or the audio on the clips all the way down or off and put it over music. And I know it's not the best thing, but right now, just with how my life is set up and how I'm producing weekly videos, that's almost the best I can offer right now, and then just writing words on top of what's going on. So I'm sorry if that really bothers you. If I could just stay at home and make beautiful, peaceful, perfect content, I totally would, but that's just not realistic. So apologies for that, because I feel like it might get a little repetitive to some people, but I still want to keep putting out the constant content of what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, etc. So the next thing I wanted to do is give you like a little life update, because I just got a lot busier, and I actually, if you guys don't know, I'm a veteran and I served in the Air Force for 5 years. I actually just got out with the birth of Mariah. So when I was pregnant with her and like on her due date was the last day of active duty in the Air Force for me. So we moved to England. I went GS. I have a federal job now working on base, but I have just started going to school, and when I was active duty I didn't really go to school that much just because I was like busy, and honestly I was young, I just didn't want to do it. But now I am using my GI Bill benefits and I'm going back to school. So I'm working like 7:30 to 4:30 all day long, and now I'm in 2 classes and trying to maintain like a fitness routine and trying to film videos and trying to cook healthy meals, and so I'm just a really busy girl. So I just wanted to let you guys know that that's happening. So far it hasn't been that bad. I've been able to manage my time well, and CJ's been really supportive and really helping me out at home. Tomorrow potentially I could break into the 170s, and that's gonna be amazing. When I got back from Florida, I was really surprised to find that I lost 6 pounds in the month of May to 183, and since I've been back in the month of June, I've lost 3 pounds. The last time I weighed myself, I was 180, and that was last weekend. So I try to weigh myself every Saturday if I'm feeling good and comfortable and like not bloated, or like if I've been able to go like number 2 and stuff, I'll weigh myself. But if I'm not feeling good and I'm not convinced the scale might be in my favor, like I don't even do it. And that's just because like if the scale didn't move, I don't want to be discouraged and I don't want to make bad decisions. So if I don't feel lean and like I'm doing everything right, then I just won't weigh myself that week. That's just me, but I think that's a pretty smart way to approach it if you are someone who tends to get discouraged like I do. Yeah, there's that. I could potentially be in the 170s tomorrow. And on a more personal level, I have started seeing a counselor, and it's not for like any extreme reasons. Like CJ and I went to see a counselor together when I got back from Florida, because he's been talking to her on his own, and so they wanted to have like a couple session. So I went, and ever since I met her, I've been going bi-weekly, And I am just over the moon thrilled with the way she is talking to me and the way that I'm beginning to learn and figure things out. And if you guys are going through any kind of thing or just really need someone to talk to in regards to your relationship, or even just like issues that you have within yourself, then I really recommend talking to someone, because it's like sometimes we just feel so much, and I say these words, or even like CJ and I, like we say these words to each other, but yeah, we both mean completely different things. So we started using techniques to really like, okay, can you repeat what you think I just said? Just to ensure that we're really on the same page. But she's been providing me a ton of clarity, and whenever I leave sessions with her, I just feel like my soul is like renewed, and I feel like I can just breathe again. So I've been absolutely loving being able to sit down and talk to someone with no judgment or no preconceptions, to just have meaningful conversation. It's been absolutely amazing. So just to touch base on a spiritual level with you guys, I feel amazing. I've been feeling really blessed and grateful and positive and energetic lately. Like, keto has changed my life, and it's so funny how it's happening, because I feel like it's trickling into so many different aspects of my life that you never thought that diet would be a part of. It's helped me with my happiness, it's helped me with my confidence, it's helped me with my marriage, just from changing the food that I eat. It's absolutely insane. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. Let's go ahead and get into my weekly video. I hope you guys are doing all right. I hope you are staying on your journey just fine. You got this. We can do this. Thank you guys for watching. Let's just start the weekly vlog. Okay, you guys, here is dinner tonight. We have half an avocado. I salted and peppered it. These are the chili cheese hot dogs. Absolutely delicious. About 3 carbs per sausage. But as you can see, it's pretty big, and this whole plate's gonna fill me up, so I'm okay with that. This is rich and tasty coleslaw, or rich and indulgent coleslaw. Looks like this. This whole jar, I think, is like 12 grams of carbs, and it lasts me like a week. So there's a little serving right there. And this is garlic infused asparagus, and then I put some sea salt and pepper on it as well. But yes, this is our keto dinner tonight.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
You guys, here is the grilled chicken. It looks amazing. I love when my chicken's a little black like that. I like my chicken pretty dark. I just worked out, so if my makeup looks a little crazy, it actually doesn't look that bad. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer foundation that I've had in my drawer for like a year, and today I just decided to wear it and like really impressed. So we have this chicken here, right? But yesterday CJ made some sausages and we have a leftover burger. I have coleslaw I need to eat. So don't really know for sure what my set meal is tonight, but I know I need to eat. Just clean up what we have going since we have a lot of food out right now. I also made some garlic butter Brussels sprouts. These were frozen and I just boiled them. And then I added some Himalayan salt. I added some roasted garlic and pepper seasoning and some pepper and more butter. And they are delicious, and Mariah is a big fan of these as well, so it's a win-win.